Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting the SIM and yourself. Use an anti-static mat and hold the card by the edges. Once the SIM is removed, use a magnifier and bright light to locate corrosion, lifted pads, or hairline cracks on the gold contacts. Make sure to photograph the damaged area for reference. Then gently clean the contacts with isopropyl and a lint-free cloth. This removes oils that mimic electrical faults and lets you see whether the damage is physical or just dirty contacts. Once clean, determine the actual break, a surface scratch versus a severed trace. If it's superficial, a conductive pen often restores continuity. Apply thin, steady strokes and let cure. For deeper damage, use a micro-soldering iron or lay a tiny copper tape jumper across the break, then secure with a dab of clear epoxy. This preserves flex. Make sure to check continuity with a multimeter after each attempt, so you know the connection is restored before reassembling the SIM into the tray. After repair, protect the fix. Cover the repaired pad with Kapton tape or a thin layer of clear epoxy to prevent abrasion and shorts. Carefully reinsert the SIM into the tray, power on the phone, and confirm carrier detection, signal bars, and ability to make calls or use data. If it doesn't work, make sure the SIM sits flat and the tray isn't warped. If problems persist, try a different handset or adapter. If still dead, replacement by the carrier is the reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.